Welcome to the second video of architecture drawing for a two-story residential building. In this video, I will explain in detail the first floor plan. It has a scale is same as that we have studied in the previous video for the ground floor. This is 1 inches on paper is equal to 8 feet on the ground. This is the front side of the plan. This is the left side and this is the right side. I am going to zoom out so that you can see completely the first floor plan. So this is the complete first floor plan. This is the back side, this is the left side, right side, and this is the front side. And these A, B, C, D, these are the center lines of the column in the y direction. All these are the center line in the y direction, and 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the center lines of the column in the x direction, in the x-axis. So now I'm going to zoom in so that we explain the different portions in this plan. So this is the front side of the building of the plan. Here this is the open area, total open area, this terrace. And here is the slope with the direction, means that the slope of this open area is focusing toward this point. As the rainwater will fall on the surface, they will drain in this direction and will go to this, and then will go down to the ground level. And this is the grooves, and on this side at the front of drawing room, this is the balcony. It has a width of 3 feet, and a length of this much from here to here. And when you enter on this gate, so this is the drawing room. The drawing room has a dimension of 13.5 feet by 15 feet. 13.5 feet in this direction and 15 feet in this direction. And on the this hole is the lobby. This is so on the right side, this is the way to go to the upper floor. This is the gate, is a dimension, is a width of 3 feet and 6 inches, this door. And this is the direction to go. These are the stairs to go to the upper multi-floor. And as we go on the lobby, this is the on the left side, this is the dining room. Is a dimension of 13.5 feet by 10 feet. 13.5 feet in this direction and 10 feet in this direction. And the dining room door width has a dimension width of 5 feet. And these are the attached patio and powder room with this dining room. And on the right side, this is the guest bedroom and has a dimension of 13 feet by 14 feet. And this is the bathroom attached with this guest bedroom. And on the right side, this is the balcony, has a width of 2.5 feet. This is this width. And as we go on the lobby, this is the store, and the width of the door for the store is 3 feet, and the dimension of the store is 5 feet by 5 feet 10.5 inches. 5 feet in this direction and 5 feet 10.5 inches in this direction. And this is the lounge. It has a dimension of 19 feet and 9 inches by 13 feet 3 inches. And on the right side, this is the door for the kitchen. It has a width of 3 feet, and the dimension of the kitchen is 13 feet by 12 feet. And at the right in the kitchen, there is a door having a width of 3 feet to this balcony, and the width of the balcony is 2.5 feet. And at the end of the lobby, there is a two doors for the two bedrooms. On the left side, there is a bedroom having a size of 14 feet by 13 feet. 14 feet in this direction and 13 feet in this direction. And at the front, there is another bedroom having a dimension of 13 feet by 14 feet. So 13 feet in this direction, 14 feet in this direction. And this is the dress room, and this is the bathroom attached with this bedroom, and this is the dress room and bathroom attached with this bedroom. So the dimensions for the bathroom attached with this bedroom has a dimension of 7 feet by 5 feet 7.5 inches. 7 feet in this direction and 5 feet 7.5 inches in this direction. And the dress room has a dimensions of 7 feet by 5 feet 7.5 inches. 7 feet in this direction and 5 feet 7.5 inches in this direction. And this is the bathroom and dress room attached with this bedroom. And this is the shed, and this shed has a width of 2 feet and 6 inches and a length of this much. By adding this 9 inches plus 5 feet 4.5 inches plus 13 feet plus 7 feet plus 4.5 inches plus 7 feet plus 9 inches. It is the length of the shed, and this is the width. 2.5 feet is the width. So this video was all about the first floor plan, and in the next video we will explain the upper floor, that is the multi-floor plan. Thank you.